Running a business shouldn't mean running in circles. Introducing Intellitrack 365 version 2.0, your affordable all-in-one business management tool, built for go-getters like you. Intellitrack 365 is a smart business tracker designed to offer small businesses and entrepreneurs a streamlined Excel-powered solution for managing sales, inventory, customer data, and outstanding balances all in one place. Whether you're a small business owner, wholesaler, retailer, or service provider, Intellitrack puts you in control with an interactive dashboard for real-time updates, comprehensive sales logging system, searchable customer database, product tracking with stock monitoring, inventory management system, smart search functionality, and protected automatic calculations. Intellitrack version 2.0 was designed with one goal in mind: track your entire business with ease. No monthly fees, no tech headaches. For just $15, you get a plug-and-play spreadsheet system that works on Excel 2021 Plus and Google Sheets, fully interactive, smart, and simple. Log your sales, track your products, manage inventory, search customer data instantly, view total orders, revenue, and balances, all from one smart dashboard. It's organized, it's intuitive, and best of all, it works offline and online. No subscriptions, no required skills, just real results. Comes with a full setup guide so you can plug in your data and start managing your business today. All of this for a single payment of just $15. That's less than what most apps charge in 1 month. Intellitrack 365, track smarter, grow faster. Available on Sealer and Payhip.com. Get yours now.